Ethiopia, a nation with a rich history and diverse culture, is undergoing a transformative era marked by ambitious infrastructure projects. This development aims to bolster the country's economic growth, enhance connectivity, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. In this video, we explore 10 massive projects that are reshaping Ethiopia's landscape and positioning it as a rising power in Africa. But before we do so, I'm Teresa and you're welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on post notification because that will notify you whenever we drop new content on this channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share. So first on the list, the Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, that is GERD, stands as a testament to Ethiopia's ambition and engineering prowess. And the GERD is poised to become the largest hydroelectric power plant in Africa upon its completion. The dam's construction began in 2011 with the primary objective of addressing Ethiopia's acute energy shortages and propelling economic development. However, the project has not been without controversy. Downstream nations, particularly Egypt and Sudan, have expressed concerns regarding the dam's impact on their water resources. The Nile River is a critical water source for these countries, and they fear the GERD's reservoir filling and operation could reduce the flow of water downstream, affecting agriculture, drinking water supplies, and overall livelihoods. Diplomatic negotiations have been ongoing to reach a consensus on the dam's operation, aiming to balance Ethiopia's developmental aspirations with the water security concerns of its neighbors. Despite these challenges, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam symbolizes Ethiopia's determination to harness its natural resources for national development. It represents a bold step towards energy self-sufficiency and economic resilience, reflecting the nation's broader vision of progress and prosperity. In the realm of aviation, Ethiopia is making significant strides with the development of a new international airport, approximately 40 kilometers southeast of the capital, Addis Ababa. This ambitious project is set to become the largest airport in Africa upon its completion, underscoring Ethiopia's commitment to becoming a central hub for air travel on the continent. The planned airport is designed to accommodate up to 100 million passengers annually, a substantial increase from the current capacity of Addis Ababa-Bole International Airport, which handles around 25 million passengers per year. The new facility will feature 4 runways and extensive infrastructure to support both passengers and cargo services, positioning it as a key player in global aviation networks. However, such a massive undertaking comes with challenges. Ensuring the timely completion of construction, securing the necessary funding, and addressing environmental and social impact are critical considerations. The Ethiopian government, in collaboration with international partners, is working diligently to navigate these challenges and bring the project to fruition. The new international airport represents a significant leap in Ethiopia's infrastructure development. It reflects the nation's aspirations to connect more deeply with the global economy and to solidify its position as a leader in African aviation. Ethiopia's commitment to improving its transportation infrastructure is further exemplified by the development of 4 new expressways radiating from Addis Ababa. These expressways are designed to enhance connectivity between the capital and key regional cities, facilitating trade, travel, and economic integration across the country. The planned expressways will connect Addis Ababa to Dessie in the north, Jimma in the southwest, Debre-Marcus in the northwest, and Nekimet in the west. Each route has been strategically selected to link major economic hubs, agricultural zones, and population centers. thereby promoting regional development and reducing travel times. The Addis Ababa-Djibouti Expressway aims to improve access to the Hamara region, known for its agricultural productivity and historical sites. By providing a faster and more reliable route, the expressway is expected to boost the movement of goods and people. And the construction of these expressways involves comprehensive visibility studies to assess environmental impact, economic viability, and social considerations. The Ethiopian Roads Administration, that is ERA, is spearheading this effort, ensuring that the projects align with national development goals and international standards. These expressway projects are anticipated to have far-reaching benefits. They are expected to reduce transportation costs, decrease travel times, and improve road safety. By enhancing connectivity, they will facilitate the efficient movement of goods and people, stimulate regional economies, and promote national integrations. The development of these expressways reflects Ethiopia's strategic vision to build a modern and efficient transportation network. By investing in such infrastructure, the country aims to lay the foundation for sustained economic growth, regional development, and improved livelihoods for its citizens. In the realm of urban development, the Adwa 0km project stands out as a significant initiative aimed at commemorating Ethiopia's rich history while providing modern public spaces for its citizens. Located in the heart of Addis Ababa, the Adwa 0km project is a large-scale urban development designed to honor the legacy of the Battle of Adwa, a historic victory where Ethiopian forces defeated the Italian army in 1896. This victory was a defining moment for Ethiopia and Africa as a whole, symbolizing resistance against colonialism. The Adwa 0km project features a grand public square, museums, cultural centers, and recreational spaces. One of the project's highlights is the Adwa Victory Monument, a towering structure that pays tribute to the bravery and sacrifice of Ethiopian warriors. The monument is expected to serve as a focal point for national celebrations, cultural events, and educational programs about Ethiopia's history. Additionally, the development includes state-of-the-art museums showcasing Ethiopia's historical artifacts, artwork, and multimedia presentations. The economic impact of the Adwa 0km project is significant. It is expected to create thousands of jobs during and after construction, boosting the local economy. Furthermore, it will attract tourists, generating revenue for local businesses, restaurants, and hotels. However, the project faces challenges, including funding constraints and the need for careful urban planning to minimize disruptions in Addis Ababa's busy city center. The Adwa 0km project stands as a testament to Ethiopia's commitment to preserving its history while embracing modern urban development. Ethiopia's ambitious infrastructure drive extends to railway development, with the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway being a cornerstone project. This modern railway line, spanning approximately 752 kilometers, connects Ethiopia's capital to the port of Djibouti, a crucial gateway for the nation's imports and exports. The railway, which began operations in 2018, is Ethiopia's first electrified standard gauge railway and one of the most advanced rail networks in Africa. Beyond trade benefits, the railway has played a key role in reducing road congestion and minimizing environmental impact. However, the railway faces challenges including financial sustainability and operational efficiency. The Ethiopian government is working on strategies to improve revenue generation, optimize logistics, and expand railway connectivity to additional regions within Ethiopia. Despite these hurdles, Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway is a game changer for Ethiopia's transportation sector. It symbolizes the country's push for modernization and integration into global trade networks, reinforcing its position as an emerging economic powerhouse. Ethiopia's urban landscape is also witnessing significant transformation through the development of the Addis Ababa River Revitalization Project. This ambitious initiative aims to restore and beautify the city's rivers, particularly the rivers running through central Addis Ababa, to create an environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing urban environment. The project involves cleaning up polluted river banks, constructing pedestrian walkways, developing recreational areas, and introducing green spaces along the river corridors. A key component of the project is the establishment of parks, bicycle lanes, and cultural centers along the river banks. It also presents challenges, including the resettlement of informal settlers along the river banks and securing adequate funding. Upon completion, the Addis Ababa River Revitalization Project is expected to redefine urban living in the capital, making the city greener, cleaner, and more livable. Ethiopia's rapid economic growth has spurred increased demand for modern industrial parks, leading to the establishment of numerous industrial zones across the country. These parks aim to attract foreign investment, create jobs, and boost the nation's manufacturing sector. The Hawassa Industrial Park, one of the largest and most successful industrial zones in Ethiopia, specializes in textile and garment production. It has attracted major international companies, generating thousands of jobs and contributing significantly to Ethiopia's export earnings. Other notable industrial parks include the Lemi Adama and so on, each focusing on different sectors such as leather processing, pharmaceuticals, and agro-industrial products. The development of industrial parks is a key pillar of Ethiopia's economic strategy aimed at transitioning the country from an agrarian-based economy to an industrial powerhouse. Despite their success, industrial parks face challenges such as ensuring sustainable water and energy use, maintaining labor rights, and addressing logistical bottlenecks. The government is working on policy reforms and infrastructure improvements to overcome these challenges and maximize the benefits of industrialization. Ethiopia's industrial parks play a crucial role in economic diversification, job creation, and poverty reduction. The country's infrastructure development extends beyond industrialization to telecommunications, with the expansion of the Ethio Telecom network and the introduction of competition in the sector. The Ethiopian government has taken the major reforms to modernize telecommunication services, improve internet access, and enhance digital connectivity. The ongoing expansion of 4G and 5G networks is set to revolutionize Ethiopia's digital space, enabling faster internet speeds, better mobile services, and increased e-commerce opportunities. Expanding digital infrastructure is vital for Ethiopia's technological advancement, enabling innovations in sectors such as education, healthcare, and financial services. Challenges remain, including the need for widespread internet access in rural areas, cybersecurity concerns, and regulatory adjustments. However, Ethiopia's digital transformation is well underway, paving the way for a more connected and technologically empowered society. These projects are just a glimpse of Ethiopia's transformative journey, from massive energy projects to advanced transportation systems and thriving industrial parks. The country is laying the groundwork for a prosperous future. Ethiopia is positioning itself as a leader in Africa's economic and infrastructural development, making it an exciting place to watch in the coming year. So if you found this video insightful and exciting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more updates on Africa's transformative projects and development stories. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What project do you think will have the most impact on Ethiopia's future? Or is there another development project you are excited about? Share your opinions and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.